this is part B to December 15 p.m. I actually put a Grace product on this corner. That's about 1 roll. It is completely watertight. I did this with the workshop 3 years ago, but they've revised this. This is a much grippier surface when it gets wet, so you don't have to worry about slipping and dying. We tarped off the other part that doesn't have any Grace material on it. Now that I know I'm going to do this, I'll do this over the next couple of days before the next rain, and I won't have to use any more tarps anymore, and I should be pretty watertight. You're probably wondering where I'm walking from. This is our orange grove. I put this wall in long ago, back in 2002, I believe. But anyway, back to the project at hand. These are the pilasters that lead up the trail and to where I am right here. So this is what I call the truck port. We have a gable entrance to the orange grove, and we also have a pass through. The truck port actually extends through the front. It's pretty long, and then I have a protrusion out the back as well. So it actually takes on the character of a East Coast covered bridge. But there you go. Now you can kind of see what they've done. They've gone ahead and done the tie-in from the old part of the house to the new part of the house. Looks like they still have a little bit of work to do. I'm wondering if I can get them up there for a few minutes, or where it seems like we're going to be pretty dry for a couple days, if anything. I don't know if you can see, the right side is still jagged. Left side looks good, right side is jagged. Looking good, just a lot of work.